Now you could take a scissor, and with the blunt edge, you don't want to cut this, but you just want to crease along our folding lines, which is just this little 1/4 inch bit. That's where it's going to fold. Just the 1/4 inch on the 4 pieces. Okay, this is the back of our card. At this point, if you wanted to erase your markings, you could do that. And here is how it pops up. Simply push the center section out and crease that the opposite way, like this. And these folded marks are going to crease the other way. Okay, and then we'll close it like this and press that down. So it makes an interesting card when you take it out of the envelope, but then you'll have a birthday cake. And at this point then we're going to decorate it with, I have a gold opaque pen, and we'll decorate that cake. So we'll just make the simple lines here of a cake. And we'll color the plate. And just some little accents here to make it pretty. You can write happy birthday on there. You can put your greeting on the side and decorate that any way you like. And there's our pop out birthday cake card.